Today guys, I show you how to fix easy anti-cheat not working full guide. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, the easy way to install and get anti-cheat is to download Fortnite. Just open your Epic Games launcher like me. Also I have on channel how to download Epic Games and create account. Watch this video fast, download Epic Games and log in on your account. After you download Epic Games launcher and log in on your account, make sure you download and install Fortnite because it's the easy way to have easy anti-cheat. After that, move in library, move on Fortnite game, go on these vertical dots and you will see here manage. Open it. Click this folder here, move here to Fortnite game, move here to binaries, Win64. And you will see here folder Easy Anti-Cheat. Open it. To fix Easy Anti-Cheat or install it, you will see this setup. Just do fast click like me. As you can see this window like me, this blink. That means Easy Anti-Cheat is on your system. After fix and download this, you can close this now. I show you one more fix for Easy Anti-Cheat. Close this. Press Windows button and tape this like me. See program files, Easy Anti-Cheat, and you will see this folder, open it, and also you have here Easy Anti-Cheat installation and repair system. Just do the same, fast click, and you will see this blink window. That means Easy Anti-Cheat is correctly on your system. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix and repair Easy Anti-Cheat on your system fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.